So Apple's upcoming iPad Mini 7, yeah, it's got a slightly bigger screen, yay! But while Apple is out there making baby steps, Lenovo just dropped a gaming beast that'll make you question why you ever settled for just a tablet. Meet the Lenovo Legion Y700 2024, the 8.8-inch powerhouse that's here to turn your gaming world upside down. Let's dive into this bad boy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu. Charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. All right, first things first. 8.8 inches of pure, unadulterated gaming goodness. Lenovo packed this baby with a display resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels with 343 ppi pixel density, and get this, 160 hertz refresh rate. You know what that means? It's smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Apple's iPad Mini 7 probably still stuck at 60 hertz, but hey, I guess that's good enough if you're reading ebooks. Oof. And under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Yeah, the same chip powering some high-end smartphones, but now it's all for your tablet gaming experience. You get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.1 storage. I mean, do you even need a PC anymore? Now, let's talk about something you won't find in Apple's new toy, the cooling unit. Lenovo slapped on a 10,004mm squared vapor chamber to keep your gaming sessions from turning into hand-roasting nightmares. They call it the Chenkun cooling architecture. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it is. This thing helps dissipate heat like a pro, ensuring you can game for hours without your tablet getting hotter than a summer day. Gamers, I feel you. Lag is the ultimate mood killer, right? Well, the Lenovo Legion Y700 is equipped with Lenovo's Legion engine, a dedicated gaming engine that reduces touch latency by over 32%, and network latency by 45%. Translation, you're going to get snappy responsive controls without the frustrating delay. Try pulling that off with the iPad Mini 7. I'll wait. Now let's talk sound. Lenovo packed this baby with dual superlinear speakers for a crisp and immersive audio experience. And with the dual X-axis linear motor, you're not just playing the game, you're feeling it. Every tap, every impact, it's all coming to life in your hands. You'll get all of this and then some, powered by a 6,550 milliampere battery. That's plenty of juice to handle all your high-intensity games, and you won't be tethered to the wall anytime soon. Oh, and it's light at 350 grams and 7.79 millimeter thick. It's a slim, powerful package that's got your back whether you're on the go or chilling at home. So how much does all this gaming goodness cost? Lenovo's being kind here. Prices start at around $415 for the 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes variant. You want more? The 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes model will set you back $470. And hey, it's available in crystal black or the soon-to-be-released ice soul white, because style matters too, right? So there you have it. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is here to challenge your idea of what a gaming tablet can be. Apple's iPad Mini 7? Maybe for casuals. But if you're serious about gaming, this is the beast you've been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like if you want more epic tech reviews, and don't forget to drop a comment. What's your go-to gaming tablet? See you in the next one. Peace.